Good afternoon, my dear students. I am teaching class 9th, chapter number 7, Diversity in Living Organism. In previous lecture, we have studied about the basis of classification. So, we have seen several parameters which were depicting the classification, like whether the organism is prokaryote or eukaryote, whether the organism is autotrophic or heterotrophic, or whether the organism is made up of a single cell, that is unicellular, or it is made up of many cells, that is multicellular. Now, today we will be studying about what is the relationship between the classification and evolution. So this term evolution, what do you mean by the term evolution? So evolution is the gradual, it is a gradual, slow and continuous process. And what is there in the process? The process in which simple organisms, they are evolved into various diversified forms on the earth is be known as evolution. So it is a very slow, gradual and continuous process of changing or transformation of the organism from simple to the complex. So still if we talk about the older organisms can be known as primitive organisms. They are primitive because they have got simple body designs. Okay? They have got simple body design because they have not evolved as such. But if we talk about the younger organisms, they have adapted and they have made changes in their body organization. So these organisms will be complex organisms, younger organisms, and they will be having complexity in their body designs. So if I talk about the primitive organisms or the primitive species, suppose if I talk about bacteria. Bacteria is a single cell organism and it performs all the life processes like digestion, respiration, excretion, reproduction with the help of its own one single body. It does not require a specific complex organ system. But if I talk about younger organism, they have got evolved, means they have become multicellular and there are designed a special organ system for performing different life processes. So if I'm comparing about older organism and younger organism, this becomes the base for the classification. Because of the differences in the similarities, we are able to group these organisms. That means the older the organism, the simpler will be the body design. The younger the organism, there will be a very complex body design. That means there will be body organ systems present inside the organism. So it becomes very important to relate evolution and classification. So students, in the next lecture, we will be studying about hierarchy of classification, that is kingdom, phylum, family, order, class, genus. We will be studying all about in a proper hierarchical manner. And then we will be studying about one by one the domains of life, the 5 kingdom classification given by R.H. Whitaker. So next lectures will be learning lectures, reading lectures. Please go through your NCERT line by line. Now it will be becoming more and more interesting. So students, stay at home and study thoroughly from your NCERT textbook. Thanks.